Hi, today I am going to draw a river view with mixed media collage. At first, I shall prepare the base of my painting with acrylic color. I have taken white, cobalt blue, Prussian blue, and crimson lake in my palette. Let's create the color of the sky. I am using a 2 inches flat brush. You can use any brush you like. I feel comfortable with this brush. Blending of the colors is very much important in this portion. It will make soft your sky. So, spend some time here. Now, this is the time to paint the water. I will use comparatively dark color in this portion. You see, the movement of my brush stroke is horizontal here. It will help me to create the effect of so many tides. So, our base of the painting is ready now. Now, I will draw a boat with the help of collage medium. Our mixed media collage is almost ready now. I don't know whether you will like it or not. If you like, I request you to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.